Please note, every video in this channel has the employer's interviewer's direct phone number. So, you're not going through any placement company.
This is Rajiv here, and welcome to my channel Jobs in Goa.
Twinsby Shack at Shiridao is looking for dishwashers. Call on the above employer's direct number for interviews. If you're looking for employees for your establishment, then send in the details of your requirements and we will post it on our next video. Call us with details on the above phone number. This video is supported by Pioneer Bags. They are manufacturers and wholesalers for non-woven and cotton bags